Right, here we go guys. Next one is going to be doing the seat. So I'm going to put these strips on. Rivets, tin snips, 3.2mm drill, rivet gun. There's a seat base. Just tidied it up a little bit. I'm going to put these strips on to hold the seat cover on. So let's have a go at doing this. Right, done. Wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Took a bit of time. Let's bring it up here. Drilling holes, cleaning them all up, filing all the burrs off. Scratched the pan up a little bit, but it's all on now. Okay. Thank God for that. Is a bit of a ball ache. A lot of swearing. It's all done now, thank Christ. So the next thing is, it's going to get the, got to get the foam repaired. Got to get the foam repaired for it, and then get the recover to go over it, new cover to go over it. So that's good. Little work to do on the tank. Got a little repair for that, but I'm just pleased that I managed to get all this done on here. So these are the strips. I'll show you the strips. Okay, this is how they arrive, like this. Peel them off here, like that. This is the one I've got a spare one left. You just drill a hole in them, drill a hole in the pan, rivet them in. This is what I got, just a cheapy one, like that. Just rivet them in. You've got your different heads on there. 3.2, 3.2 6mm is what I used. And that's about it. So yeah, just a quick update on it. There she is. It's looking good. It takes time. It does take time, projects. You know, you add a little bit, add a little bit, add a little bit. And before you know it, it's done, hopefully. Right, I'm going to call it quits. See you next time.